Good evening, everybody, and welcome to another video. My name is Tom. Thank you for joining me. And I got the moon here with me. Pretty huge. The camera doesn't even do its justice. It's very bright. It's very huge. But hey, so I decided to jump on this video because I had this huge thing prepared. Not really, I'm just kidding. I actually did a video. I started doing a video of how I was mowing, but you can see where I stopped. So I managed to take care of all of this all the way up to the road. And ironically, as I started, the neighbor brought his mower out and did the rest of his property over that way. But I unfortunately only got 30 minutes in. Well, things happened, life got in the way, and I ended up attending some meetings, some teleconferences that I had to, and unfortunately the sun got away from me. So it's only like 7:20, but it's pitch black out here. I actually came out here to see if I could mow with the headlights of the Kubota, but they're not angled for mowing really in the dark. They're angled for like street illumination so that people can see you when you're coming down the road if you're driving it on the road. But I have all of this that I need to do, and I really can't do it in the dark. Also, there's like stumps and roots that are coming out of the ground that I kind of have to avoid with the deck. So unfortunately, that video is going to be put on hold for a few days, simply because the temperatures are dropping and the rain is coming back. Today was the last day where it was 78 degrees out here. It was a beautiful day. I was ready to go. I had my hopes high up, and it wasn't until I got that message on my watch that said, hey, we need you on this call in 10 minutes. Can you join us? And of course, you really can't say no when somebody says that. So it is what it is. You can kind of see the one pass that I did over there, but then you can see the length of the grass. And actually right here next to the stump, it gives you an indication as to how tall the grass really was before I chopped off some of the stuff to the side of it. So I at least wanted to come on and share that with you guys because, well, in all honesty, I don't know when this video is going to come out. And with storms coming, I know I have a road trip planned on Friday. So it is an afternoon, evening, nighttime trip. So we'll do the usual thing of hopefully putting cameras out. I probably won't do a hood cam that time because it will be raining, and I don't want to beat my cameras up too much with rain. They claim to be water resistant, but I trust that as far as I can throw them, which ironically for those cameras would be quite a bit. So it is what it is. We'll see. We'll just have to play it by ear, but I want to keep you guys in the loop. Thought I'd share this with you. And then gosh, this light here that's randomly on my property actually kind of makes for an interesting video, doesn't it? Everything's dark. It's pitch black out here. It's quiet. I hear some crickets. I hear some birds somewhere off in the distance fighting, and no deer. There's no deer. So we'll see what happens. Although, hey, if you guys have any questions or anything or topics that you guys feel I might be able to do a video on, go ahead and leave me your suggestions down below. I do read all the comments. I do answer most, if not all of them. And, you guys give me good ideas, most of the time. Anyway, so if you guys come up with something, I'll be happy to look it over and see if I can, shoot some content for you guys. Other than that, we'll just have to see how the day goes tomorrow. It's supposed to be cloudy, rainy, but we'll see. Maybe Mother Nature will give me a break and I'll get to finish this video. So I guess stay tuned for the next video. But until that time, as always, thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.